Hello everyone and welcome back to your favorite channel. In this episode, we're going to take a look at some of the best Oris watches available today. All the watches product buying links are given in the video description. But first, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Now, let's get started. Number 7. Oris Artillier Skeleton Automatic Steel and Gold Tone Watch. Dial type, analog. Luminescent hands. Oris Calibre 734 automatic movement with a 38-hour power reserve. Scratch-resistant sapphire crystal. Skeleton transparent exhibition see-through caseback. Case size 40 mm. Case thickness 10.7 mm. Round case shape. Bandwidth 21 mm. Water resistant at 50 meters, 165 feet. Functions: hour, minute, second. Number 6. Oris Big Crown Pro Pilot Altimeter Riga Limited Edition Watch. Dial type, analog. Luminescent hands and markers. Date display at the 3 o'clock position. Oris Calibre 733 automatic movement based upon Sellita SW200-1 containing 26 joules, bidding at 28,800 VPH and has a power reserve of approximately 38 hours. Scratch-resistant sapphire crystal, transparent caseback, round case shape, case size 47 mm, case thickness 18 mm, bandwidth 23 mm. Fold-over clasp, water resistant at 100 meters, 330 feet. Functions: date, hour, minute, second. Additional information: in general, suitable for swimming and snorkeling, but not diving. Big Crown Series, pilot watch style. Number 5. Oris Aqueous Small Second, date, blue watch. Dial type, analog. Luminescent hands and markers. Date display at the 6 o'clock position. Second subdial at 9 o'clock position. Automatic movement. Scratch-resistant sapphire crystal. Screw-down crown. Solid caseback. Case diameter 46 mm. Case thickness 15.5 mm. Round case shape. Bandwidth 26 mm. Band length 9 inches. Fold-over clasp with a safety release. Water resistant at 500 meters, 1,650 feet. Functions: date, hour, minute, second. Dress watch style. Number 4. Oris Big Crown Pro Pilot Calibre 111 Men's Watch. Dial type, analog. Luminescent hands and markers. Date display at the 9 o'clock position. 2 subdials displaying seconds and power reserve. Oris Calibre 111 manual hand-wind movement with a 240-hour, 10-day power reserve. Scratch-resistant sapphire crystal, screw-down crown, transparent caseback, case size 44 mm, round case shape, deployment clasp. Water resistant at 100 meters, 330 feet. Functions: date, hour, minute, second. Dress watch style. Number 3. Oris Big Crown Pro Pilot Excalibur 115A Watch. Dial type, analog. 2 subdials displaying small second and power reserve indicator. Oris Calibre 115 hand wind movement containing 38 joules, bidding at 21,600 VPH, and has a power reserve of approximately 240 hours. Scratch-resistant sapphire crystal, screw-down crown, transparent caseback, round case shape, case size 44 mm, deployment clasp, water resistant at 100 meters, 330 feet. Functions: hour, minute, small second, power reserve indicator. Number 2. Oris Divers 65 Black Dial Canvas Strap men's watch. Dial type, analog. Luminescent hands and markers. Date display at the 6 o'clock position. Oris Calibre 733 automatic movement with a 38-hour power reserve. Scratch-resistant sapphire crystal, screw-down crown. Solid case back. Case size 40 millimeters. Case thickness 13.4 millimeters. Round case shape. Bandwidth 20 millimeters. Tang clasp. Water resistant at 100 meters, 330 feet. Functions: date, hour, minute, second. Additional information: 01-733-7707-4064 set. Sport watch style. Number 1. Oris Lake Baikal Limited Edition. Protecting the world's largest source of fresh water. Item shape: round. Dial window material type: anti-reflective sapphire. Display type: analog. Deployment buckle with extension clasp. Case diameter 43.5 millimeters. Band material: stainless steel. Band width 22 millimeters. Band color: silver. Dial color: blue. Bezel material: blue ceramic. Bezel function: rotating. Calendar: date. Special features: special box, certificate, limited to 1,999 pieces. Item weight: 10.58 ounces. Movement: Oris automatic self-wind. Water resistant depth: 300 meters.